Let's see what we got in the mail today. Seems like another day, another TST product. Come on. Could punch it like the last video, but whatever. I ain't gonna do all that. Come on, baby. Maybe I gotta use a little foot action. There we go. Don't mind my court shoes. We'll do one more. There we go. If this isn't the ghettoest unboxing you've ever seen, please unsubscribe. It's a little patent slip. We don't need all that. Ooh, this is so pretty. Box feels nice. That's it, baby. This is $300. Let's see what we got. Come on. Huh. Ooh, girl. You know what it is. Like that. Oh. Kind of looks like a alien mask if you actually look at it. It's a light. Got us a license plate mount. I think this is for the license plate. It's like a little light, I believe. Yep, look. Boom. I did this on my MT-07 relay. Let's see what else. Hey. These are the very unnecessary but nice replacements for your flashers. TST takes big pride in making this. They're honestly really nice. They're not necessary in my opinion, but they're nice, man. That black's gonna blend in real good with the bike. It's got a bunch of extra lights. They did years and years of research and development on this product, actually. So I'm not trying to shit on them. It's a good product. I don't think it's necessary. I bought it, though, because I like supporting companies like TST. They got great customer service. They got great installation videos. They take pride in their products. And, you know, people are always buying knockoffs. I'm not trying to knock my audience, honestly, but I am. Like, I don't really fuck with knockoffs because I run a business and we fabricate products, and then you see companies all the time come in and steal our design and then profit off of it. And I get people think like, oh, you recouped your research and designing off of your, year or two of profits, but that's not cool. If you work hard to make a product, you deserve the profits from it, not some dickhead who literally buys your product from you and then copies it and then begins to make profit and take away from your business. That's some shady shit. Your bike deserves better. Your life deserves better. Don't do it. But we'll have a boring ass install video for this too soon.